Hello everyone. Today we have selected a very important question, which is a combination of different concepts. It's a 3D shape, but it's involving cosine rule and unit conversion, trigonometry, geometry. These type of concepts are all in combination. These type of questions are coming in IGCSE and GCSE exams, both in Cambridge and Excel. So this will be very nice practice for you, and this will boost your skill level. So let us go to the question. Diagram provided is not to the scale, and diagram is provided this one. So the question says the diagram shows a solid triangular prism ABCDEF of length 15 centimeter. So length is this one, which is 15 centimeter. I'll be labeling this. So 15 centimeter. Then says AB is 6.4, so AB is this length, which is 6.4 centimeters, and then comes to EB is 5.7, EB is 5.7 centimeters, and further says, and the volume of the prism is 145 centimeter cube. So volume of prism is equal to 145 centimeter cube. A part says show that the angle EBA is equal to 32 degrees correct to the nearest degree. Angle EBA is which one? EBA is this angle, which we need to prove as 32 degrees. So now volume of the prism, we will be using that volume concept, and we know volume of the prism is equal to what? Is equal to face area. Face area is a triangular area multiply by length. So length is 15, so we can take area of the prism is equal to half into base into AB sine C, basically AB sine C. This is the formula for area of the triangle, and multiply by length, which is 15. So this will be volume, not area. So volume of the prism is equal to face area multiply by length. Hopefully you understood this. Then we can replace the values. So half into A we can take 6.4, and B we can take 5.7. So 6.4 into 5.7, and sine of C, which we can write sine of EBA. So we can write sine of EBA in this one, and multiplied by 15. Now we know that this volume is equal to 145. So volume is equal to, this is equal to 145 centimeter cube. Now we will solve with the help of calculator. This calculation we will solve with the calculator, and this will be 0.5 into 6.4 into 5.7 multiply by 15 is equal to 273.6. So we can write 273.6, yes, and sine of EBA is equal to 145, and further we can send this to other side, and this will be sine of EBA is equal to 145 divided by 273.6, which will be equal to, we can divide 145 over, this will be answer is equal to 0.5299. so 0.5299, and angle EBA will be equal to sine inverse of 0.5299, and this will be equal to shift sign of this number, shift sign of answer is equal to, try to use all the digits so that you will be getting exact answer, and just round at the final answer stage only. So 32.003 something. So they are saying correct to the nearest degree, so this will be equal to 32 degrees. This is what we proved, and it was 3 mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Now B part says find the length of EA. Now length of EA is which one? We need to identify length of EA is this length. So we can apply cosine rule because we have angle also. Know this angle is 32 degrees, and we will consider triangle AEB, and we can write in triangle ABE, we can write ABE, and cosine rule we will be applying, and cosine rule will be what? AE is equal, I will solve here and then I will shift. EA square is equal to AB square plus EB square minus 2 into AB into EB into cos of 32. So this will be the cosine rule which we are applying, and this will be, we can shift here, this will be cosine rule. Now we will be just replacing the values, and EA will be equal to what? EA will be equal to, we can take this one, and this will be, we can take this over here, and with the under root, because we have removed the square, and now we can square of this one we have removed, that's why we have taken under root on other side. So AB is 6.4, so 6.4 square plus 5.7 square minus 2 into 6.4 into 5.7 into cos of 32, and this will be root, and we will find this by calculator. So this will be square root of 6.4 square plus 5.7 square and minus 2 into 6.4 into 5.7 and cos of 32. So cos of 32 bracket close, and this is equal to 3.40. So 3.40 and 24, so we can approximately write 3.4, so 3.4 centimeter. This is also 3 mark question which you hopefully understood this. Now this is C part. C part says calculate the shortest distance from E to AB. First we need to understand what is this shortest distance. E to AB. E to AB distance will be which one? We will identify the distance, and that distance will be E to AB distance will be which one? So this distance is, I'll have to take this one, and this will be E to AB. Let me draw. This will be E to AB. This will be the shortest distance. Direct route means this will be 90 degree. Now we will be considering this triangle. If we take this point as G, so in triangle EBG will be what? In triangle EBG, we can take this will be sine we will be taking, because EG we need to find, so EG over EB will be equal to sine of the angle which we already know is 32 degrees, and G we need to find, so EG is equal to EB is 5.7, so 5.7 sine of 32 degrees, and this one we can shift to the proper location, and this will be over here, and we will complete this part over here, and this will be 5.7 sine of 32. 5.7 sine of 32 degrees is equal to 3.02. So 3.02 centimeters, and our answer will be 3.02 or 3.0. So this is 3-mark question which we have done. You can see cosine rules and trigonometry and so many things are being used. Part D, calculate the angle BF makes with the base ABCD of the prism, and this is 4 marks part. First we need to understand this BF. Angle BF makes with the base ABCD. Now we need to identify the angle. First of all, we need to draw the base will be, like for example, this will be the straight line which is equal to the same as we have just calculated, which is EG. So this point we can take as H, and this length will also be 3.02 because this side is 3.02, and so this will also be 3.02 centimeters. And now we need to find what? We need to find the angle E. We need to find BF. Okay, so BF makes with BF will be roughly, if I draw BF will be like this one. I need to draw with the free hand. Okay, so this one, and base will be like this. So I will take the ruler so that we can properly draw this. Okay, so this will be the drawing, and this will be the scale, and this one. Now hopefully you understood this. So this is the triangle and this is the angle required. So what we will do, we can first find we need to find this BH. To find BH is our target. First to find BH, then we will be using triangle BFH to find angle. So BH, how we can find BH? That will be, we will be considering this triangle which is BCH, and this is right angle triangle. So we'll write in triangle BCH. This one we can find, basically we need to find x over 5.7. this side is also 5.7, and this angle is 32 degrees. So first we consider BCH, and we can find CH first. So CH will be what? CH over EF or FC we can take is equal to CF. CH over FC is equal to cos of 32 degrees, and CH is equal to 5.7 cos of 32 degrees, and we can find this with the help of calculator. 5.7 cos of 32 degrees, and this will be equal to 4.84. So 4.84 centimeters. We got this length, CH is this length, which we got 4.84 centimeters. Now in triangle BCH, so basically this triangle is FCH, and now we will be considering triangle BCH. So we can move this a little over here. We will shift this at the proper location. So in triangle BCH, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So we can write BH is equal to square root of 15 square plus 4.hc square, so 4.84 square. And this one we can apply calculator. So we have basically, okay, so square root of 15 square plus 4.84 square, and this will be equal to 15.76. so 15.76 is our length, 15 BH. So BH we got 15. This is 15.76 centimeters. Now we will be considering the triangle. Which triangle we will be considering? We will be considering this triangle, which is BHF. So before that one, I just wanted to shift this our calculation to the proper location. So that will not be, so this one over here we got the calculation, and now we can do the last step, which is angle we need to find in the triangle. So in triangle BHF, we are taking this one FH over we can take basically FH over BH. FH over BH will be equal to tan of theta. So this is BH is 3.02 over 15.76 is equal to tan theta, and this one we will shift there and complete the calculations, and this will be the last step of this question. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything. So here, yes, so now what we can do, we can find the tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 3.02 over 15.76, and this will be the calculation, and we can take theta is equal to shift tan of 3.02 over answer, and this is equal to 10.846, or we can write 10.85. so 10.85 degrees, this will be our final answer, and this is 4-mark question, which is very important for our GCSE. Now this is E part. The prism is made of plastic with density 938 kilogram per meter cube. Keep in mind these units, and then calculate the mass of the prism in grams. So mass of the prism is required in grams. Density is equal to mass or volume, it's given. So mass will be equal to density into volume. This is the formula, and density is given 938 kilograms per meter cube, and multiply by the volume at the beginning they have given us 145 centimeter cube. So now we need to convert these units to the proper one, and we can write 938, and kilograms to grams will be multiplied by 1000, and meter to centimeter will be because this meter cube, so we will be writing 100 three times, each time for each meter, and then we will be multiplying this with 145, and we can calculate. This will be 938,000 over, this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 1 million, and multiplied by 145, and this is equal to 136.01. 136.01. Our answer will be 136 grams, and this is the final answer. You have seen here we have used unit conversion in part E. It was unit conversion in part D. This was sine cos tan, which is trigonometry, which we used. And in C part, again we have used trigonometry, then length. In B part we used cosine rule, very important. And then A part we have used basically this one, volume. We used the volume and volume of 3D shapes formula we used, and in between that one we used the Pythagoras theorem also. So it was a combination of so many things, and hopefully it's a good practice which you have gone through. So don't forget to subscribe the channels, recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers, and press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.